If you notice your lettuce is growing about 2 feet tall, you see these little buds right here, or they're growing flowers, or the leaf is light green and it doesn't taste good, it tastes sour, it basically means the plant is bolting. The end cycle of the plant in this season. The main reason it's too hot, the temperature spike up too hot, and this was could happen. Lettuce is best to grow in early spring or early fall. Normally between 60 to 70 degrees is perfect for lettuce. These are romaine lettuce. This actually do a little better even in the 70s, but we got up to 80 degrees and the plant is bolted. These are some of my lettuce back here. I had them even in the cool spot, but they will still get sun, but not too much. And you could see it's over like 2 feet, and you could see like the leaves. Look, I'll just pull out one right here. It's like lighter, but listen, if you want to eat this, there's nothing wrong with it. It's still healthy, but it's not the best flavor like it would be when it's not bolted. Put some salad dressing, you could eat this. And what to do once you see your plant is bolted, see this right here? Once you see this bud right here, it's going to start producing the yellow flowers. Once it start growing that and produce yellow flowers, they take away all the energy from the leaves and just focus to the top to produce flowers. Now, what you could do, you have two options. Pull out your plant, remove all the leaves, eat your lettuce. Or you could do is just leave one of them, remove all the leaves, leave the bud to grow into flowers, and this will produce lots of lettuce seed at the end of the growing process. You save that seed, and basically you could reuse that seed planted every season. You could plant it for like it will last like 2 to 5 years of growing free lettuce non-stop. So that's one good benefit. I have a lot of lettuce seed from last year, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pull out all this plant, and I need the space, but I'm gonna remove everything and wash them. Just remember, lettuce are spring crops, and a lot of your spring crops will bolt in the summertime, or even if not bold, they will just not grow at all, not produce at all, because the temperature is above 70 degrees. And even like if you get over 75, well, right now we're in the high 75 to 80, so this is way beyond spring plants, and now we're dealing with all summer plants. So if you see your spring plant now dying and you're in the 70s, consider yourself lucky, because they did really well. All right, so any question or stuff, comment below. I'll love to answer your question. Thank you guys so much for watching Green Tea. Don't forget, if you're new, we're all about growing a better home garden. Do like and subscribe for more upcoming videos by clicking the red subscribe button. It's 100% free, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna go ahead and then remove all this lettuce, and I'm gonna wash them and save them. I could have some. My pet pig Pepper will have some. I do not need seed. Remember, if you need seed, leave this to grow to the yellow flowers and you'll produce seeds later on. But remove all the leaves so the energy will just focus straight up to the top and give you faster progress for the seed.